Well, the pollen count has been on the high side the last couple of days. On the lower side for the day tomorrow was in the moderate category today with the wind. The air quality on the good side. The haze and the humidity in the atmosphere. That's a lot to do with the moisture being trapped at the surface. Our wind not helping things out either if you're near the coast. Speaking of which, how about gusts up to 30? Defuniak Springs, 31 in Evergreen, 28 in Panama City, and 23 in Apalachicola. So it's been a breezy day, and you can see looking off to the west closer to where the storms are. Even more breeze to come as we go overnight tonight and into the morning hours tomorrow. We're going to hold on to the warmth as well as the breezy conditions. You can see where the colder air is right on the edge of that boundary, and it's going to be sinking south as we go throughout the day. We should see an outflow boundary undercut our precipitation. That will cut down on the severe potential. Whether it's not happening at the moment, it's off to our west. You can see tornado watches and even a couple of warnings ongoing. That's where it's mostly going to stay through the evening and overnight tonight. It won't be until tomorrow morning that we see the heavy rain, the possibility of a couple of thunderstorms working on through the area. Will be quite breezy ahead of that front. And then on the backside, we should see the wind switch to out the north and northeast. Overnight tonight, you can see that slight risk just nicking our area, northern portions of Walton County as well as Holmes County in that slight risk. The boundary itself should be weakening as it enters our area, just a marginal risk across our area throughout our Thursday. So you'll note the same areas under slight risk for the day tomorrow, actually just under that marginal risk. So that will be that boundary weakening as it does move in, and it should happen right on the doorstep of working into our area. So Futurecast winds here doing a pretty good job with the winds overall. There you can see the frontal boundary itself by 6 o'clock in the morning. Our modeling suggesting a little bit slower as far as the forward timing progression. So we may not see the showers and storms until maybe 5, 6 o'clock, maybe 7 o'clock in the morning. The other modeling suggesting maybe as early as about 4 a.m. But regardless, you'll see the wind flip back to out of the north and east and then out of the east as we reload for a warming day on Saturday, and we'll do the storms again on Sunday. So here's the timing by 5 a.m. Again, our modeling is the latest on the timing, so it could be as early as 4, but going with 5, that might be the strongest we see the boundary itself. Then gets undercut by outflow. So by this point in time, all of this is elevated. None of that would actually be severe. Still be a threat of maybe some small hail or possibly a wind gust mixing to the surface, but tornado risk would be very minimal at that point if this is how it played out. By the time it worked down to the Forgotten Coast, everything is elevated, and we're just talking about some lingering showers as we work throughout the afternoon hours. So looks like most of the showers and storms working through in the morning and then clearing out as we do go into the afternoon. Unfortunately, just one cool, clear day on Friday, or rather on Saturday, and then on Sunday we'll flip things around, we'll warm back up, and we'll see it set the stage for storms again on Sunday. Most of us should expect less than an inch of rain, but some of us could pick up between 1 and 3 inches of rain at most. And to mention, there is a colder pattern on the way. Like I said, the first boundary clearing out of here as we go through tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Then we reload, bring the warmer air back on Saturday. We see the storms once again Sunday morning, and then the possibility of even a strong severe storms will be there as well. And then a colder pattern all throughout next week. So if you thought fake spring was real spring, well, the joke is on you. The fake spring, it's leaving us, and real spring will be back soon enough. But we do have some colder air on the way. We may even get close to a freeze Sunday night. Temperatures will be down into the low to mid 30s, so very possible that we could see some locations with some frost issues.
So if you thought to put those jackets away, you're going to bring them back out from the closet.
Yeah, I'm thinking more like gardeners that have been wanting to itch and get out there and dig and mess around in the yard because it's been so nice.
Right.
And really just have to wait until March because we got more cold air coming.
Thank you, Ross. Appreciate it.